Okay, so before we get started, you just want to make sure the parking brake is on, and I do have the wheels chocked. Okay guys, so this one has the 3.6 liter engine, but it's calling for 6 quarts. Okay, so all the service records from this vehicle that I got from the municipality that had it, they've used anywhere between 6.2 to 6.5, and a lot of times it was 6.5 quarts of oil. So what we'll do is we'll start with 6 quarts and go from there, because they've always used 6.5. And I'll show you, they got it marked on the vehicle. But we'll start with 6 and go from there. Like I say, they've used 6.5, and all the service records that I've gotten from them has been 6.5. So we'll get it changed out, put 6 in it, and then check it and go from there. All right guys, so it is a 16 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and get this on here. And I know it's gonna need some persuasion. It is tight, so got us a hammer here. Go ahead and give her some taps and try to get her, knock her loose here. So I wanted to stop here, guys, and take a second to explain this oil filter cartridge holder. So with this vehicle, they've replaced the housing with the aluminum housing. I know these chargers originally came with a plastic housing, and what I mean by housing is this. The whole housing here is generally plastic, and they've replaced this one with the aluminum. The plastic ones are prone to break. And so what I want to make a note of is this is a 2014 Charger that I have, but as you can see on here, it's explaining to make sure you use the oil filter from a 2015 year model. Replace the oil filter must be from a 2015 model year of this vehicle. So, and it's got a different assortment of part numbers here of the different filters, brands. But now, you know, when I bought the filter for mine, I got the 2014, and it's the same filter, 2014 and 2015. But just to make note, you know, yours may be different. Yours, you know, what year the Charger is and all that. So I just want to make a note of that. New filters installed, new O-ring. We added, you know, some oil around it. You want to lube it up a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and place it back in. And you don't want to go too tight on these because you don't want to crack this plastic. So just, you know, pretty much kind of like when you're doing a regular oil filter, just snug, you know, you don't want to go too wild. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So we'll go ahead and start out with 6 quarts, and then we'll pull it down and get it off these ramps and get it a little level. See where we're at. Just get her moved off the ramps, check it. All right, let's go check her now. We got 6 quarts. And we are shy. We're shy, so we're gonna go ahead and put the other half quart in it. We'll check it from there. So that pretty much wraps it up, guys, for this video. I appreciate you guys joining me today. Please don't hesitate to give me a subscribe, a thumbs up, and there'll be more videos coming soon. We gotta get the spotlight removed, so once that kit comes in, I will definitely be throwing a video out for that, and I hope you guys join me. Thank you.